Okay, so are we ready for this experiment? Restarting a print after removing the mirror out of the bed and reinstalling it now. I had to do a rush job and had to pause this job, so I took time to note the coordinates. I put some dots on the mirror at predetermined coordinates and made a small dot with the nozzle on them, and now I just, with my eye, realign them as much as I could, so we'll see what it gives. Now I'm ready to send that M916 command. Printer is going to zero itself. There we go. Okay. Is this gonna work? We do have contact on the part. Seems to be working. I'm going to do the first few layers very slowly, so the bound between the cold layer and that new layer is somewhat not too bad, and we'll see the alignment. The alignment of that new fresh layer doesn't look that bad, so I guess my little 3 dots did the job. So we'll let this go and come back later. And it worked! I'm really happy with the result. As I said, this is only a functional part. It's the inside of a Pokeball, so the kids are going to be happy with this. This looks like the layer this is supports. I'm going to just crack. We can see the line where the pause was resumed, but overall this is really good. It's not gonna affect the function of this part at all. So conclusion is you can resume a print by marking some little dots with the nozzle on your mirror and taking the coordinates of those little dots, realigning them to your nozzle, and then start the print where you left it, thanks to the Do It Resurrect function.